Hey guys, Richard and Amanda here from eBike Reviews and Adventures. Oh my goodness. It's just a little bit humid today. Woo. Yeah, so here's the deal. We're in the middle of a shuffle here, trying to dig out the rickshaw because Amanda and I need to make a run, and we need the rickshaw to get back. So what we got to do is we've got to deliver the TST bike over there to the eBike Reviews and Adventures maintenance facility so it can get repaired. So, oh, we're gonna knock over that bike. Here we go. Yeah, so anyway, it requires a shuffle all the time, but that's about to come to an end because Richard is about to sell off some stuff, and I need to take some stuff to storage again. Amanda, don't you think?
Yes, absolutely.
But I don't know, we'll see. Some trikes are going to end up in storage. I'm not really getting rid of trikes just yet. We've got another big trike event planned, and so not really doing that. There we go. Got that rickshaw out. So anyway, so let me show you. I need a part. I need a controller for the TST bike, and they finally responded to me and said, "Oh, sorry. You know, we'll send you a tracking number, you know, after a month of waiting." Go look at that video if you want to. But anyway, so I finally got a response, and they said, okay, here's the deal. Here's the tracking number. We printed the label, all this stuff, right? But then they said, but it's not in stock in the U.S. warehouse, so it's going to be 2 to 3 weeks before we can get you the controller. And I said, huh. Well, I also need a controller for the Veribus. I think that's what it is, at least. I've asked them, but Veribus is ignoring us, okay? So just be aware of that. We're going to be doing some follow-up videos here real quick talking about Veribus, and we're not going to be recommending them. But we think that's the controller. I requested it twice. Still haven't heard anything out of these folks. So I checked the shipping information a couple of days ago on this just to see if by chance it had shipped yet. And it said it was coming in on Friday. And I said, great. So I guess that means they shipped it. It's going to be here Friday. Well, yesterday, which is Thursday, I had this controller show up, but there's no name on it. There's no information on it. I mean, yeah, here's a code that takes you to a Chevrolet dealer website, and that doesn't make any sense. But anyway, it's a controller, and there's no name, so I don't know what it's for. So I'm assuming it's probably for the TST bike, but it could be for the Veribus, but probably the TST bike. So we're going to take the TST bike down to our contracted maintenance facility because Amanda and I are just a little overwhelmed with work to be done. And so what that really means is our buddy Ron is going to install this controller for us. Yeah, good old Ron. I'll tell you what, everybody needs a Ron. If you live someplace close to somebody named Ron, you should just go buy them a cup of coffee, go shake their hand, get to know them. Because if they're anything like our Ron, I'll tell you what, that is someone you want to know. Yeah. All right, so, whoa. Hey, did you see that catch? Woo! Richard is on the ball today.
Okay.
Amanda's not necessarily in agreement with me. All right, Amanda. Grab the remote so we can close the garage door. We can leave the bike sitting in the yard momentarily. We're only going to be gone a second. If we can find the remote, look, I've got... eBike Reviews has turned into a landscaping company because a lot of this stuff is landscaping stuff. But hey, it's coming along. It is. We now have a big old pile of mulch to distribute today. Got the remote. I got the controller. You have the broken bike. I'll take the rickshaw. Okay? All right, let's go. Let's go to the contracted maintenance facility. Somebody's cutting down a tree over there. Trash man's coming down the street. We couldn't have any more noise, I don't think, if we tried. A throttle. Whew, there it is. You know, sometimes you jump on a different bike. Some of you guys have this problem, some of you don't. You have to stop and like, wait a minute, where's my controls at? You know, stop right here, let these hard-working guys do their thing. Oh no! He's dropping trash. Where you going, buddy? There we go. All right. A little bit of wind blowing through the hair. It's feeling good this morning. Man, I've been working hard this morning in the yard since about 6:30 when the sun peaked up. Trying to finish up that landscape lighting and some other things, and oh my goodness, humidity is high, but at least it's overcast skies today, so that's helping a little bit. That is helping just a little bit. Well, we got a doggy in the driveway. Let's wait for that doggy to move on along. I hate it. You know, that's Ron's yard, and she's letting her dog walk way up into his yard. There's no sense in that. No sense whatsoever. Leave your dog down closer to the sidewalk.
Hi, hi, hi.
Woohoo! Here we are at the contracted maintenance facility. There's the
Look at this.
there's the maintenance supervisor. He had no idea we were going to be running the video today. All right, buddy. Here's the controller.
Okay.
Here's the story.
Yes.
I'm making an assumption that this is the one for this bike because I'm waiting for two controllers, one for the Veribus and one for this.
Okay.
Veribus never responded, but that doesn't mean they didn't send one.
Yeah.
But I've been waiting for this one the longest, so I'm assuming this is it. So when you
will work
open
with
this
that.
up, take a
Yeah.
look at it, and if it, for some reason it doesn't look like it's going to match or whatever,
All right.
that's why.
Close it up.
Yeah.
And it's in here where the battery is?
Yeah, it should be. It's probably at the bottom.
Okay.
At the bottom of the battery. Sometimes what you have to do when, Amanda's going to have to go get the keys, and she'll run them back to you because you need to take the battery out.
Yeah, okay.
Give us a couple minutes.
Oh, yeah, to get in there.
Yeah. You're usually at the bottom of the...
Here, you got screws here.
Oh.
Something.
Yeah, but
holds it in there?
that probably just holds it in. Yep.
Okay.
There may be a little plate right here at the bottom.
Okay.
You have to pull out.
All right.
That's where the prongs are for the battery.
Okay.
So you may have to unscrew that and pull that out of the way
All
too
right.
to get to the
No
controller.
problem.
Give us a couple minutes. Amanda will bring in the...
I'm not worried about
Oh, she's sitting here.
it. Yeah, she don't have to come back.
Look.
Yeah. I see the keys.
Than's, Amanda.
Now,
I'd be at home going through my key
What
drawer.
time frame do you have on the return of this?
Oh, we need it by 12 o'clock. No. Whenever you get it done, man. It can be next week, anytime, whatever.
No.
Yeah, well, good luck with that.
It's supposed to be miserable. I saw they was talking
Today?
about Sarasota up to 105.
Guys, you hear that? Amanda, what do you think? 105 degrees.
I'm going inside.
She's going inside.
Handle that. Well, you got an air-conditioned garage.
Yeah, but we have no space to work in the air-conditioned garage.
Huh.
Huh, he says. All right, Mandy, you holding on tight?
I am holding on to the
You should be, because neither one of us are wearing helmets. Here we go. Feels good to have the wind blowing through your hair, right? It's so hot and muggy. It's disgusting. I agree. Oh, we got to lean a little bit so we don't wipe out. We're going full bore. 19. Hold on tight. Do you have the garage door opener? Do you have the garage door opener? Oh, we got stuck in the rut. There we go. Whew. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Give me a like and a thumbs up and a smiley face or whatever it is you'd like to do today. We appreciate it. Stick around for the next video. There'll be one popping up right about now.